Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech hassles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to link PayPal to Google Pay. If you've ever wanted to streamline your payments or make transfers a breeze, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First off, before we jump in, ensure you have both the PayPal and Google Pay apps installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your accounts. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest app updates to avoid any glitches. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app on your device. You'll see your home screen with various options like payments and offers. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or the account icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and look for the Payment Methods or Add Payment Method section. Select it to view your current options. Step 4. Choose Add Payment Method and look for PayPal in the list of available options. If it's not there, make sure your Google Pay app is up to date. Step 5. Tap on PayPal and you'll be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your credentials securely. Step 6. Once logged in, authorize the connection between PayPal and Google Pay. You might see a confirmation screen. Go ahead and approve it. Step 7. Verify the link by going back to your payment methods in Google Pay. Your PayPal account should now appear as an option. And that's it, you've successfully linked your PayPal to Google Pay. This setup lets you use your PayPal balance for Google Pay transactions, making online shopping and peer-to-peer payments even easier. Remember, if you run into any issues, like authentication errors, try logging out and back in or contact customer support for both apps. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.